Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Sad Show. As many of you know, the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell spoke yesterday, and they said some pretty bullish stuff for the stock market. So I'm going to be covering those reasons why I think the stock market will be doing good in the short to mid-term. Now, the Federal Reserve actually did two of these things. They're keeping interest rates at zero, and the economic data was good. So the interest rates remaining at zero means that companies don't really have any immediate debt or interest they have to pay on their debts. And good economic data such as unemployment numbers were good, as well as the inflation rates that they said also lined up with what the whole market thinks they're going to say. So this kind of basically gives back trust on the Fed. They actually said that in the short term, due to the dollar getting really stronger last year around this time, inflation is going to be around 2%, 2.4%. And this short term inflation is exactly what everyone else was predicting. And the fact that the Fed has now changed their data to say that, it gives people a lot of confidence. And something that really good that they said is this is only temporary inflation, meaning that it will come down over time. So no companies are like, the fear in the market is removed because now companies don't really have to worry about their money losing too much value fast. Now, the Fed did not actually talk about this third thing over here. They didn't buy 10-year bonds. However, if they put out a statement saying that they are buying 10-year bonds anytime soon, this is going to be very bullish for small cap stocks. So if we take an actual look at the SPY, this tracks the S&P 500 for those of you who don't know. We actually seen a major increase after the Fed spoke. It actually went up around 1%. And as for now, the futures are looking good, and yeah, the overall news is giving a really bullish momentum to the stock markets, which is why I do think that we are going to have a bull run soon. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, I would appreciate it a lot if you can leave a like and subscribe, as it would help grow my channel. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers by summer. So a stock that I think will be performing really well over the next couple of weeks is actually NANO, ticker symbol NNDM. And for those of you who are new to the channel, we've actually been in this stock for a while. I've personally have been in the stock since around $5 per share, and yeah, it went to a high of $18 and it's currently almost half of that. So I think that this is still a really good entry for the stock, and we are probably going to be seeing some all-time highs soon. We did recently have some news on NANO. So a company named L3 Hairs actually created a monolithic RF communication circuit device using NANO Dimension's 3D printer and actually sent it to the International Space Station. And I think this is very bullish news for NANO Dimensions because this is yet another application for the company, and we know that ARK Invest is invested into NANO Dimensions, and I think that they're going to actually add this company into their ARK X ETF. So that's going to be coming out anytime soon. So the fact that people are already using this for space type applications, yeah. Like once people see that that's in that ETF, I believe that could be a short-term catalyst. Another company that I think will be running up over the next couple of weeks is actually Starpeak Energy Transition Corp, ticker symbol STPK. This is a SPAC, and they're merging with a company named STEM. And I believe that this will run up because there has been a lot of bullish momentum for this company before the market sell-off, and Citron Research actually gave this a price target of $90 per share. And I believe it appeared on Mad Money a couple of times too. And I personally think that it's a really good entry since it is 35% down from its highs. Now, the last company that I want to talk about that I think will be performing really well over the next couple of weeks is ticker symbol SKLZ, Skills. Now, this is kind of an esports betting app type of play. And the reason why I think that this is going to run up over the next couple of weeks is because they have a 95% year-over-year growth from last year, and their guidance gave 56%, but that did not include any of the partnerships that they were originally having. The 56% didn't even include the fact that this company is going to be expanding to India later in the year. And yeah, overall, I think that this can 3x by the end of the year, so keep this stock on your radar as well.